Hi, good afternoon, friends. Welcome back. I'm Kumar here. Welcome to Art of Trading. As usual, in the weekend, I do upload the high probability breakdown and breakout stocks for this coming week. So, here are the few stocks which I have selected, as you can see on the screen. So, we'll go one by one and I will explain you, okay, like which is the high probabilities on the buy side or on the sell side, okay. So, this is the ACC stock, as you can see here. ACC, nicely it is trading in the uptrend. Most of the stocks are in the uptrend because Nifty almost from past 1 week it was a massive bullish trend. So let's hope this trend continues in the next week as well. So but what we can in price action is that on that day, on particular day, on the levels we see and we just enter. And about my strategy, I am basically a scalper, so I don't wait much. My entry as well as exit will be fast, so I take out 3 to 5 points in futures as well as 15 to 20 points in crude and Nifty. So that is my strategy, okay. So as per my strategy, as you can see, Nifty is trading in this channel from past so many days. I think almost 15-20 days. As you can see, nicely it is trading in this range. So tomorrow, that is this week, what we can expect, or the Monday itself we can expect, if Nifty is positive, you can expect a buy from here, okay. Buy from above 1515, above 1515 you can buy up to a target of 1550, okay. So in case if this trend line breaks, you can sell ACC below 1500 for a target of up to 1460, okay. So this is how one should predict. So to analyze this, one should be knowing how to draw the trend lines perfectly, how to draw the support and resistance perfectly. So these are the basic things one should be knowing before predicting any market or any stocks, okay. So the next stock is Asian Paint. Asian Paint also, as you can see, it was also trading in range this channel, this particular channel. But what happened, it is broke the channel and it has come down, and again it has formed one more channel over here. So what we can expect in this coming week or in a couple of days is, if there is some confirmation for you on this support area, you can buy, okay. You can buy Asian Paint above 2065, for a target of 20880 or 2080 as well as 2091, okay. So on the buy side, as well as in case if Asian Paint breaks this level, so 2050 level, you can short Asian Paint for a target of 2044 on this support, as well as on the second support, 2031, okay. So the next stock is Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, as you can see, it's a raising peanut formation, it's formed. So anything above this level, that is 240, about 240 you can buy. Above this level you can buy, okay. Ambuja Cement about 240 up to a target of 250, okay. 250. And in case if this peanut level this breaks, you can sell Ambuja Cement, okay, below 238. You can sell Ambuja Cement up to a target of this target, I will tell you, up to 237, okay. If you short 238 up to no, not 238, it is 238, you can target up to 236, 237, okay, on the sell side, up to this channel, okay. And in if this break this channel also, there will be a massive fall from there, okay. Let's say this channel, if this break this channel at this point, so there is a long way to go. The second and the third stock is HDFC. In the last session also I had given sell, but one call hit the stop loss and the second call hit the profit. So let's hope HDFC, if the market is bullish, it may break this level, that is 1 2 1230 level, okay, and it may go up to 1256, 1260. So or else you can, if any reversal confirmation on sell side, you can sell below 1230 also for the target of 1220, and again for the final target of 1205. Okay, and the next and the final stock is Marico. Okay, Marico, as you can see here, it is trading nicely in this channel. Okay, nicely inside this channel, and it's broken the channel now. So what we can expect on the coming days is, if in case this again rejoins, it enters this channel, then you can buy Marico at this point. So that the level is above 374, you can buy up to a target of 376, 378, and the final 380. So again, if it doesn't move inside and it just go and retest this level and it come back, you can short near 375 up to a target of 372 and 370, 369. Okay, this is how one should analyze the market. So to analyze the market, one should be knowing how to basic knowledge would be drawing the support and resistance, the channel, okay, and knowing what is volume, what are these Bollinger Bands according to my strategy. Okay, so these are the basic things one should be knowing. Without these lines, without these things, it's very difficult to predict one. Okay, actually in price action, there's no need for any indicators and all. I don't follow much indicators over here. I have not put any indicators also over here. So this is a moving average, is just the one thing I have added. That too, I don't give much importance to that. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is how I have predicted few stocks for this week. So hope this will be helpful for few of the friends of that. So trade accordingly. And one thing I keep on stressing is, please concentrate on the level which I had given, and please see a strong confirmation at that points, whether on the upper side or on the lower side. Okay, without those confirmation, no one can trade. It's not just blindly trading that level. No, that will not happen here. You have to find some confirmation over there, then only you can trade those stocks. Okay, without knowledge, please don't trade, or else 100% write it down, everyone will blow up your accounts. Okay, you will lose all your money, that is for sure. And for as usual, friends out there want to learn my strategy, which is almost a 5 to 6 years tested strategy. From past 3 years, I am giving the free calls, hundreds of calls in my Telegram channel also. So anyone can go and look out for my calls over there, the accuracy, the quality of the call which I give there. Okay, so and the screenshots also you can check for what is the exact level I'm giving, where exactly I'm giving. So all those information you can find in my free telegram also. And for more such videos, so please subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, thank you, guys. So tomorrow or Monday evening, I'll catch you with Nifty key level. Okay, thank you, bye.